The objective of this course is for you to learn stock technical analysis main concepts from a basic to an expert level while you practice with Standard & Poor's 500 ETF prices using our statistical software as your analysis tool. Hi, I'm Diego and I would lead you through the course. I have developed high-quality online courses and ebooks at expenses. I also have important online business development experience at fast-growing startups and blue-chip companies in several European countries. I achieved outstanding performance while attending world-class academic institutions and have a lifelong passion for expert financial data analysis. At the end of this course, you will be able to compute technical indicators such as moving averages, Bollinger Bands, MACD, and relative strength index, determine single and multiple indicator-based trading opportunities using crossovers, outline long-only trading strategies based on trading openings, and evaluate strategies' performance by comparing them against buy and hold benchmark. This course is ideal as you're an undergraduate or postgraduate at any knowledge level who wants to learn about stock technical analysis using our statistical software, a finance professional or academic researcher who wishes to deepen your knowledge in quantitative finance, an experienced investor who desires to research stock technical trading strategies. It's very important to remember that this course is not about get-rich-quick trading systems or magic formulas.